Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 526. The idiom today is to send somebody packing. If somebody sends another person packing, it means one has been fired or sent away, especially in a rude way or in an abrupt way. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the phrase dates back to the mid-1400s. One of the earliest citations comes directly from Shakespeare, who may have helped to popularize it in his play Henry IV, Part 1. Here is a quote by the character Falstaff. "Faith, and I'll send him packing." Okay, and we got 4 examples to show just how it is used. Here is the first one. When Jessie discovered that her boyfriend was cheating on her, she soon sent him packing. Number 2, when the boss discovered that worker was stealing from the company, he was immediately sent packing. Number 3, when I opened the door and realized it was just a salesman, I sent him packing right away. Number 4, the boss sent the new hire packing because he was just too inept at his job. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.